Next topic in the looming in process is drop pins. They prevent loss of the fabric. What are drop pins? This is the definition. They prevent loss of the fabric by solving the problem of yarn rupture. This product is made. What is rupture? Rupture means due to abrasion the yarn will be spoiled. This product is made by us for compatible with all loom type and speed entering system and yarn characteristics. They are therefore able to stop the motion as and when required. Various types of drop pins. You see, first type of drop pins, the yarn is headed through the circle, the closed loop. In the second one, it is drawn through the hole. In the third one, like that. These are different kinds of drop pins. These are also called as drop wires. Drop pins are used for weaving looms for mass produced from hard edged stainless steel. These are prepared with the help of stainless steel material. These drop pins are used to manufacture all types of drawing in machines. The drop pins for weaving machines are made by stainless steel and are framed and are made from nickel and zinc plated. Drop pins are installed on the weaving loom to detect warp breakage. Drop pins are manufactured in closed and open type for mechanical and electrical warp stop motion. Drop pins are used for both mechanical and electrical warp stop motion. These are different kinds and types of drop pins. Stainless steel drop pin, textile drop wire, drop pins for textile weaving looms, all are same. Loom drop pins, carpet flame drop pins, zinc plated weaving drop pin, rapier loom drop wires. Stainless steel drop pin. The drop wire pins are manufactured by using quality hardened and tempered spring steel strip and in inox, which means stainless steel. These products are provided with electroplating which helps in protecting against rust. Textile drop wire. These drop wires are manufactured with using high quality raw materials like carbon steel, stainless steel materials. Zinc plated drop wires. High end quality of zinc plated weaving drop into the clients. They prevent loss of the fabric by solving the problem of yarn rupture. This product is made which is compatible with all loom type and speed entering system and yarn characteristics. They are therefore able to stop the motion as and when required. These are available in different size and shape as per the demand of users. So this is a small PowerPoint of drop pins, and this is the end of the drop pins.